Hey cuties, and welcome back to Cutie Nails, where everything we do here is all about nails. So cuties, Pewete or Pewete, however you say it, reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try some of their products, and I was like, sure, why not? So they sent me this box of gel polishes. As you can see, it is 9 free. Here's the instructions, which it also comes with instructions on the inside, and their address down below. They're also a company that does not test on animals, so I really like that. You do require a UV LED lamp in order to cure these polishes, and we're gonna go right into opening this box. You can see those 24 months right there states that this product lasts for 24 months. After 24 months it expires. So if you guys look at your cosmetic products, you'll always see like a little jar and numbers on it that tells you how long your products should last for. So getting right into this box, of course, again, it comes with an instruction manual on how to apply this product, how to cure it. You guys say hi to Aaliyah. As y'all know, my girlies are always with me, so if you hear stuff in the background, it's usually them. So I was just kind of breezing through the instructions really quick to kind of see if there was anything that is outside of what I normally do when using gel polishes. It's all the same, and right away you guys can see how beautiful those colors are. Now I love the black and gold aesthetic of the jars. I thought it was very cute, and I like that they try to put what the colors are on the top as well. So kudos to you guys for that. Pewete or Pewete, however you say it. And I'm just gonna open these up. Now this particular gold right here was very pigmented. I felt like they used the finer glitters in this, and they used a colored gel. So I like the fact that this was super pigmented. So I'm gonna swatch all of these for you guys to see, and then I'm gonna jump back in when we get near the end, because a cutie patootie on here by the name of Rhonda Tucker, you tagged me in a picture on Instagram, and we're gonna talk about that when that picture pops up. Now on this particular gold right here, it was more muted than the other one, and I thought it was still cute, but I really wasn't a fan of it. But you guys can also see how very pigmented this one was as well, and the full coverage that you're gonna get whenever you use these gel polishes. So again, kudos number 2 to you guys for these beautiful polishes. I'm actually feeling it. Now, I would have to say, you guys, that this one was my second fave. That first gold was my absolute favorite color, and this nice chrome iridescent one is my definite second fave. So I hope you guys are enjoying this swatching so far. I love the fact that in this particular one, even though it looks silver, those iridescent glitters, there's chunky pieces and fine pieces that makes this color just pop. Now I have to say I really like the consistency of all of these, and I liked the full coverage of all of these polishes. So yeah, good job guys, good job. I really like these, and I'm very grateful to you guys for reaching out and sending me this PR box. Thank you so much. You guys can see how jet black this black was, and I can truly appreciate that about a good, perfect black gel polish. So y'all, I swatched all of these on the inside of my swatch stick like I normally do, but there is a picture that you guys are about to see in just a little bit because we are nearing the end of this video. Rhonda girl, I'm gonna challenge myself and I'm gonna do this set with these colors, so stay tuned for that in my next video, guys. As always, I'll most definitely talk to you in my next one. Bye.